can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Hey you guys, so I am about to start decorating. My husband is supposed to help me, I suppose, but he's doing like a Zoom catch up with his friends. So I'm just gonna get started, and I'll probably like leave the tree undone so that we can do that together later. But yeah, I'm gonna start with the living room now, so please excuse the mess. Just know that I'm decorating and it's gonna look good, it's gonna look fine. Exciting. Yeah, so I think I'll put you guys up here in the corner so you can get like a view of the room. Yeah, but I'm gonna speed up, everything's gonna be fast forwarded.
All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Hey you guys, so we are actually done doing our tree, and this is what we have. Why is my camera not straight? So this is what we have. Hold on, sorry guys. Okay, so this is what we've done with the tree. Basically just gold and silver, you know, some faux gifts underneath there. We actually didn't have enough ribbon, and honestly I don't know how to do ribbon. I must watch a few more videos. And we didn't have enough lights, like they were sold out. Of course, we're missing the angel topper on the top of the tree, which we're getting on Friday. But yeah, I'm kind of happy with how it looks. Some of these ornaments we could probably do without, so depending on how I feel, I might just take them off and not use them. But yeah, the tree is up, so that's great. Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome to another day of 12 days of Christmas. So today I'm quickly showing you guys all the Christmas decor we have in the apartment. I tried not to do too much because obviously we do live in a very small space and we did not want to clutter it too much. So we just have a little bit of Christmas spirit here and there, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. So okay, first up I'm gonna show you guys the Christmas tree because it's right behind me. But we basically got this tree off Amazon, fluffed it out over the weekend, and then we just added some gold and silver ornaments. Those were the primary colors that I was going for because I felt like they were a bit elegant and just not doing too much. I definitely tried to steer away from the traditional like red and green because those just don't do it for me. So yeah, so we have a bunch of ornaments that I got, or that we got rather, at a neighborhood store that were actually quite affordable. So we just have these big gold ornament bowls and then smaller gold and silver ones, and then we have like some little horses and unicorn ornaments all over the place. Our tree is missing our little angel at the moment, but that's that was like on back order, but it should be arriving soon. I'll insert an image on screen just so you guys can get a vibe of what that will look like. I also attempted to do a Christmas ribbon. I don't think I'm that great at it, but also the stores kind of ran out of the ribbon, so yeah, I have a bit of like half a ribbon, so it's not that great, but it's fine. We're working with what we have. And then over here by the TV, I kind of pretended that this was like a fireplace mantle. And what I did is I got this garland from Bed Bath and Beyond, and I kind of just put it over here. It actually also comes with lights, but because it's like right by the TV, I felt like there was no need to actually light it because it's just going to interfere. And then I got these wire stars, I suppose you can call them that, that actually are holders like for the stockings. So they actually what the stockings are hanging on. The cool thing about these stars are that they actually light up, but the thing is we haven't figured out how to keep them lit because you actually have to hold and press. So we just have them off. So we have this garland running all the way around here, and then it kind of falls down on the end. And then of course, like I said, we have the stockings here, just two, because there are only two of us, one for me, one for you. We'll see if they're filled on Christmas Day or not. Okay, and then moving on over here, right by our window, we got this like window box situation. I wasn't looking to do too much here. I kind of just wanted to put something here so that the window doesn't look so boring and drab. But basically, you got this at TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. And it's just very Christmassy. I do have the traditional red and green incorporated here. So red and green, a lot of the Christmas greenery over here. And it just says merry and bright. And then moving on to this corner. You guys know this portrait. A friend of mine did this for me. I just kept it here because I still have to mount it. And then over here we have this greenery that's actually dying because we've had it now for maybe 2 weeks. But it's very Christmassy. And I have a snow globe there next to it. And then there's just a candle that... So I didn't do very much here. I just added the greenery and then the snow globe. And then over here by our coffee table, what I did, you guys, is I just got this, what is it, a wreath? Mm-hmm. I got a small wreath, and then I basically just put a candle inside. The candle is from Bath and Body Works, and all I did, basically, I'll show you guys, I removed the labeling so that it's just very clear and clean, so it doesn't, like, the label colors don't mess with my aesthetic. So basically that's it on the coffee table. Very plain, clean. We're not doing too much. And then finally, oh wait, not finally, we have one more. And then here in the kitchen, you guys know that I always have a jar of faux lemons and what else, and flowers here. So I removed those and we added this vase, like a tall vase, with also the same greenery from the corner. It's also getting a bit old, so we'll probably have to replace it. And then I added this little toy car situation that we also got from TJ Maxx, I want to say as well. And basically it's like this little truck that's carrying all these Christmas trees, I guess, to someone's house for Christmas. And then this bowl of sweets, as always, is like a staple here. And what I just did, which is a little bit extra, I know, is I just made sure that the sweets that were in here were like red and gold colors, because those are like Christmassy colors. So I just took out the blue ones and the black ones and put them back in the cupboard. And then finally, in this corner, and I'm sorry for the bad lighting, this is like our hallway console area thing. What I did is I moved this plant here from the TV because of the garland that's on the TV, and then I got these two trees from Target. They're very glittery trees. I thought they were very like modern and just elegant, and so I added them here to just also have this area have a bit of a Christmas vibe. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We didn't do too much, but it's very cozy. I think it's right for us. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. We do have some fake presents at the bottom of our tree, you know, for the vibe.
So they're fake.
There's nothing in the boxes. I didn't manage to get tree collar to put around the bottom of my tree. It's like they're sold out everywhere, and honestly, I'm just like, it's fine. Christmas is literally in like 2 weeks or so, so I'm just like, it's fine. By the time that collar ships from being back ordered, Christmas will be over. So I'll get one next year. I also forgot to mention that we do have Christmas lights too, but they literally ran out in store. We saw them in the morning, and by the time we went back to the store, there was one box left, and it wasn't enough to go all the way around. So if I do find some, I'll pick them up, but it's not a train smash for me. And then the star of the show, we got Christmas jumpers, you guys. First time ever. So this is the one that I'm wearing. It was also from TJ Maxx, I want to say. Yeah, it was also from TJ Maxx. Yom also got one, and yeah, Christmas, guys. So yeah, that's it actually for my little living room tour. I actually haven't done anything in any other part of the house, so this is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little view of my living room, because actually I've never shown my living room in its entirety. Please make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.